Part of this.
Very good place.
And this is our song, Bara Bara Bastu.
Klockan slår, då är det dags. All bekymmer försvinner strax. Bästa båt inför kropp och själ. 4 väggar i träpanel. För din vår värme lika bra. Så tango med Arjen Saijonmaa. Yksi, 2, 3 sauna. Vi ska vara bastu, bastu. Om vår rappa och släppa stressin av. Bastubröder lever som gröder. 100 grader noja. Bara vara bastu, bastu. Hänga på så släpp in bara hit. Bara bastu, jo. Vi ska vara bastu, bastu. Om vår rappa och släppa stressin av. Bastubröder lever som gröder. 100 grader noja. Bara vara bastu, bastu. Hänga på så släpp in bara hit.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You guys are amazing. Thank you. I had to ask you, how is the sauna situation in Switzerland?
We brought our own sauna from Vero. It came today, yes.
You don't trust the people of Switzerland?
I've heard of them, but we haven't seen one. There's not in our hotel, and we have to make sure that there will be a sauna here.
Okay, that's a good idea. What do you think about the competition this year when Finland has 2 songs in the Eurovision?
It's such a great year for Finland, but everyone is doing an amazing job. There are so many different genres, there's so many good numbers that we're going to see. It's amazing.
It's great to have the support of the Swedish people, but also the Finnish people. So it's just great all around.
That's great. Good luck, boys.
Thank you.
Thank you.